so what's up my lovelies, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video we are going to be creating this beautiful neutral beat that I definitely want to come out here and create for you guys. So if you guys like what you see, then keep on watching, and before you keep on watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join me and my lovelies on this journey. Anyways guys, bye. So I'm gonna jump right in with the Makeup by Yolando's Artistry Vault Palette by Melissa. I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here called Afro Beats. Afro Beats is like a nice brown reddish shade, and I'm just going to be putting that like right across my lid. I'm just gonna be placing it right here and picking that on and just placing it just to go right across it. I'm gonna create that line, and I'm just gonna continue to like fade that out. You guys see it? So I'm just gonna continue to just add it on and then blend it out. Okay guys, so it is looking a lot red. I honestly wanted this to be on the brown side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be grabbing Girl Bye. And that's how Girl Bye looks, and it's like a darker brown. So what I want to do is apply Girl Bye right on top of Afro Beats just for it to look more on the brown side. So I'm gonna grab Expensive and kind of like make it look more brown than red. I just want it to go right across that line. That's it. Like, I'm not doing anything serious today. I'm just doing like a simple look for you guys because I'm feeling really simple. Just blend it out just a tad bit, and then I'm just really gonna like fade out the ends like so. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, this nude. You know, it's like a nice nude shade, and it's called Wow. I'm just gonna tap a bit of Wow all across the lid. Wow, it's looking cute. This is literally all we're doing for today. Simple beat, but it's giving us that. I just love how like Egyptian this is looking. Like, I love doing elongated looks because it just gives me this whole vibe. So I don't know, that's just my opinion. But yeah, so this is as much as we're going to do with the eyes. Super simple, nothing crazy. And then now you guys already know I'm going to be going in with my eye products on the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and then also my Super Flex adhesive glue, and then with eyelashes. And you guys, I love using just, you know, these type of eyelash glue because it has the tip. Oh my god, I took some splash on my nose. But because it has a tip already, so you can easily just glide it onto your eyelids just like so. You guys see me doing all the time. And then I just wait for it to dry just a little bit more, and then I just add the eyelashes. It's just super easy that way, you guys won't have no trouble. Do is like apply the lashes on like so. And you guys know I do not like showing my eyelash part because sometimes eyelashes can just be a whole nother hassle. I just keep going and going and going, and then there. So once I keep going and going and going, like meaning like I keep pushing it on, I kind of just like give it like a little flick up, like so, just for it to like, just for my eyelashes to be more up. And so now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. This one is in very black, and I should have added it first before I added the lashes, but it's alright. I'm just gonna go right underneath and just apply some. So now I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I believe this is the mini size one. They do have a large size one. I'm just gonna spread it all around my main area. With this primer, I just love the fact that it really does smooth out your makeup. And when you take your pictures, you just see a difference with your foundation and everything like that. And I love the texture of it. The texture is like lightweight and it's just very silky, I would say. Silky, and it has like a nice smooth texture to it. I'm gonna go in with this thick foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation stick. It's in the number 360 and it's in mocha. And I do love a lot of coverage, so we're just gonna add as much as possible. I know I'm gonna look so orange. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer in the number C13.5, and I barely use this concealer, and this is honestly a budget-friendly concealer as well, you guys. I just don't remember the price, but I know it was decent. Okay, while I'm blending out this concealer, it is so close. Well, I feel like it's so close to like my foundation. Just a teeny bit, okay? And I love a bright under eye. Like, I love everything bright, but you know what? I'm just gonna use one concealer. What is this? The C13.5. For me, if I actually want like see how I'm going for like a bit of a neutral beat, this is perfect because it's not even bright. Like, you know what I mean? It's definitely giving me coverage underneath my eyes, and it's not peeking through. It is not making my under eye crease either. So I barely grab this concealer just because I'm always going for like a bright under eye all the time. But today we gonna try to keep it as quiet as we can, as much as we can. Because you guys always know I do too much sometimes, but that's just how I am. Like, I do like that too much drama queen type of beat. That's just what I do. That's just what I love. And I just can't stop. So every time I just want to do something quiet, it ends up being so loud. So let me go in with a beauty blender. I don't even know what this. I'm going with this one. This one's a little bit. I'm just gonna quickly just pat it just a little bit. Okay, like, so now I'm gonna quickly contour with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Ebony. You guys already know I love this one. This one is matte, as I said, so it will dry up so fast. and matte. So you just want to be careful with this one. Like right after I contour, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but obviously you guys will see the harsh contour lines. So I'm gonna use my foundation brush and I'm just gonna quickly like blend that all in together so that all that could just be faded and gone. And I'm using one of my favorite brushes at the moment, and it's the Real Techniques number 200. They sell this on its own. And I got it from Walmart, okay? I got it from Walmart. You get a full coverage blend out, so that's what I really love about that foundation brush. And I had to buy a second one. So we are done with blending out everything. So now we're just gonna set the areas where we did apply all that concealer. You guys, I'm legit going natural now. I know I told you guys, but like I need to, man. Like, I'm so tired of like relaxing, like perming my hair and all those type of things, and I'm just so tired of the lace fronts as well. Like I'm just like, no. But I do love a good bun. I do love a good ponytail. So I was just like, oh my god, that was the only reason, you guys, that I was actually like perming and like relaxing my hair. But now it's like I don't even care. As long as my hair can be natural and I'm able to still put in a bun, I'm fine. And the fact that my hair is natural right now and it's in a bun, I'm just so happy that I can still do it. With natural hair, you obviously see the crimps, but that's fine. I'd rather the crimps than stressing myself to go perm my hair and all that type of stuff. With today, what do you guys think? Yeah. Struggling with the Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder today. Maybe I should. Let's just add some today. And this is in the number 420, you guys. I'll just rather add it on top. I should try using like 2 powders. Ooh, this is making my makeup a lot softer. No, guys, this is making my makeup a lot softer. I don't want to add too much, but here I go. We giving soft looks today. So now I'm gonna go in with the MOPRHE Glam Bronze in Meter. You guys already know, like, my bronzer is so messed up that I don't know, guys. I don't know. What else do we want to do? Because I'm definitely trying to keep it as simple as we can, because you guys already know I go way up and beyond. Should I really keep it like this? Like, should I, guys? Should I? Like, I can't believe this is all it's giving. Okay, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna keep it as simple as I can, because you see, I want to do so much. Like, I want more than just this, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it simple just for you guys, because I know I do too much sometimes, but I'm gonna keep it simple this time. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go in with one of my new babies. I don't know which one to go in. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing in with one of these NYX Butter Gloss. We got Ginger Snap, and then we also got Praline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add Praline to this side. I can't even. Okay, and I'm gonna see how Ginger Snap is on this side. Ooh, they're so close in like color. Ooh, but you know what I'm liking, you guys? I like Ginger Snap. Ooh, look how juicy my lips is though. I got juicy biggie lips. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is the end of the video. Oh my gosh, like that was super quick and easy. It's probably like the easiest beat you guys could achieve. I felt like we had so much fun. I had fun creating this look. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join me and my lovelies on this journey. And my loves, I'll see you in our next video. Bye, my lovelies.